I'm Jeff from ParkMobile, and today I want to show you how to make a parking reservation using the ParkMobile app. So sometimes when you're driving into the city, you don't want to drive around looking for parking. ParkMobile gives you the option to actually make a reservation ahead of time so you know exactly where you're going to park and you have a guaranteed spot that's waiting for you. So here's how it works. Go into the ParkMobile app and select Reserve. Search the location where you want to park, and you'll see these little pins come up, and it has all these inventory options in that area. So here I'm going to select a garage that's near the area where I want to go. I'm going to select the date and time that I want to park there, the car I'm going to park, and then the credit card I'm going to use. And when I'm ready to go, I just click Reserve My Spot. And once the reservation goes through, it generates a mobile pass. So you're going to have a pass that's going to get you in and out of the garage. Also, when you get your receipt, it's going to give you specific instructions on how to redeem parking at that garage. So this is a really nice way for you to guarantee that you have a parking spot, to not worry about where you're going to park. And we even offer turn-by-turn directions on how to get to the garage. So one important thing to note is that not every garage accepts a mobile pass for parking reservations. So make sure to read the directions on how to redeem your parking. Sometimes you have to print out the pass and bring it in. Just make sure you have that all set up before you go to the parking garage. Parking reservations is just another way that ParkMobile is giving you a smarter way to park, so check it out.